What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be working on my G35. Uh, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing to the car. Okay, so I bought this window motor. I bought it on Amazon for like $30-40. I already took this panel apart. So what I need to do now is take this piece of metal. Gotta take the load out and change it. Okay, guys. So I already removed all the bolts, all of them. These are 12 millimeter, and the rest of them are 10 millimeters. They're all right here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get my flat screwdriver and I'm gonna try to pull it out. There we go. It wasn't that hard. I did it before, so that's why I know how to do this. I took out the motor, tried to fix it, and I couldn't. So what I did is I just destroyed it pretty much because I knew that I was gonna buy a new one. This is a new one right here. Hopefully it works. I mean, it's brand new, it's supposed to work. So, take this one out. Should still connect. Sorry, guys. Let's see here. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out, and I'll be right back in a bit. Okay, guys, so I took it out. It's this one right here. As you can see, it's missing this part. I took it out because I wanted to see what was wrong with it. I thought I was gonna be able to fix it, but I couldn't even get it in anymore. So I was like, nah, I mean, if it doesn't go up and down, it's because this motor doesn't work anymore. So that's why I was messing with it. I even cut the wires because I wanted to see if just putting it directly to a battery will make it work, thinking that is one of the switches, but no, it doesn't work anymore. So this is the new one. Let me see if I could try to work on it with one hand. I know a lot of you guys know how to do this better than me, but you know, this is my first time doing it. So for those of you who know how to work on these things, please guys, don't criticize me. I'm learning. First time, like I said, first time doing it, so I think I'm doing good. Alright guys, so I see you in a bit. Okay, so I managed to put it back. It was hard. It took me about, I don't know, like 20 minutes. Like I told you guys before, this is the first time me doing this. It's a little hard, you know. I have very little space. I live in an apartment complex, so I'm doing everything inside my garage, which is very, very small. So right now it's raining and it's dark, so I can't do anything outside. That's why I decided to come in here and do it inside the garage. Yeah, so it's hot in here. Okay, now this other one. Okay. think everything is where it's supposed to be. Just gotta put this thing back. I feel like I owe you guys a walk around, because the one I did on my first video, you know, it was a crappy video. I was a little frustrated because like I said, my car not working properly. It was already giving me problems. Yeah, I'll let you guys know. Okay, so I ran into a little problem here. I think that I had the window all the way up, and I didn't do it. So look, it goes down, but when I put it up, it only goes halfway, as you guys can see there. So I gotta take everything back out and fix this thing. Yeah, if you guys have run into a problem like this, just leave a comment on the description, let me know. And hey, at least we learned something today, or I did. Alright guys, so I'm done. I'm finally done everything. I put everything back the way it was. I think I noticed though is that one of my lights is not working. I have no idea why it's not working. But anyway, that's not what it's important right now. So yeah, I want to show you guys how this thing works perfectly. Yep, it works. Yay. So it stays there, but when I close the door, it goes all the way up. See? And when I open it, it goes down a little. Yay. It works. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you guys that my car broke down about 2 months ago, and I just didn't know what to do. It was very I don't know, very upsetting. I was upset, I was sad at the same time, because yeah, I fucked up my car. I was trying to change the coolant, but little that I know is that all the coolant came down, including the one from the I think it's called the intercooler right here. It has like a little radiator inside the dashboard. Yeah, everything came out. And I mean, I have done it before to other cars, and the way that I did it is, you know, you drain the coolant, and then you put the plug back in, you add coolant, you let it run for a little. Oh, but before that, you make sure that everything works. You know, you make sure that the thermostat is working, make sure that the fans are turned on, and then you take it for a ride. And then you park it, let it cool down, and add more coolant. And that's the way I've been doing it for years, you know. And with this car, I don't know, it just didn't work like that. So I overheated my car. The car didn't turn on anymore, and I just didn't know what was wrong with it. So if you guys want to know how much I paid, you know, for it to, actually I pretty much rebuilt the whole motor. I got a new clutch. I got a stage 3 clutch, and a bunch of little things that I put in it. And if you guys want to find out, stay tuned, and I'll let you guys know in the next video. All right, peace guys.